Good morning, crafty travelers from Quartzsite, Arizona. Today is Tuesday, January the 10th. I'm on an expedition. I've got to go to Parker to get a new battery for my car and get it installed. It's just in Snickers and I. Nobody else is going to go this early, so we're going to take off. So come along and see how things go, what I do. See you later. Hi there, you have found the Crafty Traveler channel. My name is Lonnie and I'm a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I travel with my little Schnauzer Snickers, who can be a bit noisy at times. We love to go to the desert in the winter, the mountains in the summer, the seashore whenever we can. Sometimes I travel alone, and other times I love to travel with a group. I belong to a wonderful group of ladies that love to camp and have a good time. We do activities like painting. Sometimes I do sewing tutorials. I love to visit quilt shops, go to quilt retreats, and quilt shows. Come along and follow us, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see where we go next. Thanks for watching. Here we are, pulling out of the High Jolly BLM and going to be turning right on 95 and headed to Parker. Here we go. Now I am entering beautiful downtown Parker, Arizona, looking for the Orielly's auto store to get the battery. I had called them earlier to make sure they had my correct battery for my Honda CRV, and they did, and there is a tech that will help me put it in. Now we are arriving at Orielly's Auto Parts. This may not be a big deal to some of you ladies, but it's the first time I have ever had to buy a battery. This is Wayne, and he works here at Orielly's Auto Parts, and he just replaced my battery, and he's been here over a year. Thanks so much, Wayne. I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Because Snickers was so good driving to Parker and waiting for me to get the battery taken care of, I decided to take him to the Quartzsite Dog Park. And he is going to love this. Found the dog park. Lots of doggies around. Snickers is enjoying having a doggy time. Go see dog. Go see doggies. Doggies. Hey, grassy water. Little chlorophyll don't hurt anybody. Good boy. Well, today's January the 10th, and we had a good experience driving to Parker to get my battery. A nice gentleman by the name of Wayne put my battery in. I bought it at O'Reilly's in Parker, and everything's great. And then I came back to Quartzsite and took Snickers to the dog park, and he loved it. He had so much fun playing with those little dogs. Well, it's about 7:30 on Tuesday, the 10th, and Snickers and I are already in bed. It's quite windy out there today, rocking the RV a little bit. We did go to the campfire for a short period of time tonight, but it was just too windy and getting cold. So we came back to the RV and got ready for bed, and I'm listening to my Audible book. I have to put the timer on, otherwise I just fall asleep. So tomorrow, the WRTR in the morning for a safety session, and then Travel Grandma and a few others are going to help a lady build out the back of her truck. So I'll do a few little video clips of that. Thanks for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. And stay crafty.